Imagine making 8K in just minutes without spending hours analyzing charts, second-guessing trades, or stressing over market volatility, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how it's possible with my AI power trading bot on Pocket Option. In this video, I will be placing live trades, explaining how my AI bot works, and showing you why this is the ultimate trading tool for both beginners and pros. So stay tuned, and because by the end of this video you will see how you can start making profits just like this. Let's get started. Alright, let's jump straight into the first trade of the day. The AI bot has just detected a high probability trade setup. Based on its advanced market analysis, it's signaling a buy trade. So let's place this trade with $1,000. And boom, first win secured. That's already a nice profit in just 1 minute. This is why I trust this bot. No emotions, no hesitation, just smart data driven trading. So what makes this AI bot so powerful? Let me break it down. Real-time market scanning. It analyzes market conditions, price action, trends faster than any human can. Emotion-free trading, no fear, no greed, no overthinking. Just precise execution, instant decision making. It places trades at the perfect moment, maximizing profit potential. Works for all traders. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this bot makes trading easy and profitable. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert. The AI bot does all the heavy lifting while you sit back and collect your profits. Alright, let's move things for a notch. The bot has identified another setup, this time a sell trade with stronger reversal confirmation. I'm going with in 2,500 for this one. And another thing, That's 8,000 profit today. This is exactly how I have been scaling my account faster than ever. If you are tired of guessing trades or losing money, spending hours trying to analyze the market, or letting emotions ruin your trade, then this AI bot is exactly why you need it. No stress, no complicated strategies, just pure automated profits. That's why traders everywhere are switching to AI powered trading. Before we wrap up, let's place this one last trade to show you why this bot is must to have for every trader. Another win, that's 8k plus secured in just few trades today. If you are ready to take your trading to the next level, stop trading blindly and start trading smart with my AI bot. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss any next video, because we are only going bigger from here.